Wow, Aquaba and Faumbra Gun and Sam TV GH so. What frame Ajua searching him.
Yeah, before Yanka, Kevin and Tokwa. What Mianya Kukudro say ye bon in Kayani the Omudia channel, by media, man fan channel. Ye ni person who bon. Why ya Ghana for, I ya Fanti for, I ya Pepe for, Obia, or Timmy Catcher say Nippon who can. But where the Ghana bon, Nippon bon, ni boss now, why Gina Dino. Chanyan coupon. Na yan kanuki. Sa odoni boss no. Onu na akuma Ghana. Onu na ahwe ni moja. Agu akuma Ghana. Intinu Kelvin Taylor sa odono. Ojina onu nsu sa wonisa ni boss no mo anya adwea. Kelvin Taylor be ye o. No aka kire ni pasa ni hubon ba be bia di kankan free no ho. Ni boss na wagini edi. Enya nyankopon wanji nyankopon adi wuji ni boss di che nyankopon kro oma ye frama oma ye duane oma ye wia nti otimi yaye wonim bibi adi kronti Kelvin Taylor timi ka kire ni pase ni hubon kan no ye nkwasi afo no ni boss no ni papa baby ofri ye no de wade wan kwa na mudi nti ni papa di de wade wan kwa no wan huguru ni sa na ni maami nso wie de wade wan nti ni maami twebo kan ni boss no more than bibia nyami sese man ka we ya kire Kelvin Taylor heavy minya bida why why nani boss no hu ni bati na hu ni babati no fo be ka se kokonte ya ka go balu mu ye udien when ye out dani development ye out your development ana why ye pa akoye wudie mu abuaba janaiba hey Ghana Kokromotintin o. Hey, Kelvin Taylor. Se penyi bi beka se Kelvin Taylor yaye. Yes we are ya yano. Inti constitution ni wo baby say only Kelvin Taylor is allowed to insult Ghana now. A Prada. Inframa. Edam. Ekom. Bolasu. Adi kankan. Ewo. And find the family nina who bet me ya wine ya sama o ya ni sky di be kokot ba ya sama wa ama baller ya sama wa ama janai ya sama wa ama pete ya sama wa ama preko ade ye fu say na onim say obi bon kankan u life mu u ba u family nina omu bibia empro na bon u boss na wa allow say catch the Ghanaian say ye hu bon go no eja si wo kumasi no u si e hu no go no mpa ni life mu da ni hu bon sa ni yiri hu bon sa u so yiri hu bon sa ye kan kire ni pa so obon aboaba kokoromoti na ye funtira
Jampo Bay Disney and Abattoir Cabinet Jampo and Disney. He has been an NPP sympathizer for a long time. Yes, exactly. They never invited him to anywhere meaningful, not even an ordinary phone call. Jampo about you not say white. Oh, you need the Fabi at the Bachana, young chairman of compensation, somebody and his winner, and this is a man of quite Shepherd's Council, chief executive officer. I don't know exactly what he's doing there, but he's there. Now, na buma no busa na and obi tumika say kwasi said ya musi mu journalism mu honesty mu kuntumika no kura ha mu kanu and this for no wa me wan ko ma fro da do MPP yeah bro na wana be bro oh there's all the okoye MC me na me ba go eden wa frame what I say and omuni etia sa one more constituents MPs no muluso mulisisi nan the party must not let them come back into the party in any meaningful way. Joe Wise one lusu on one head the sea from Ochemesa Bonsu lusu on one head the sea from whatever Ochemesa Bonsu has done it can be forgiven because the man is useful. Me former MP Olusu iputo o de ne be mo so ye former ntoma to be e wo de ho what 20 years omo ka ho na party no kofi because 20 years no I mean I'm not being mean no I'm being very frankly honest and bitter to you say it was a waste of time all the 20 years Not even one single human being say akra we room. Na akra ye ade enti e ma no so mo nkwa kra ana onko takra ni nkwa adwuma Jubilee Fields. Never.
Did you come for now?
I open the phone lines and let them call. I don't know what he did with them. Nobody knows. Dr. Jaye Junso Mumpo. Constituency court. Oh, local government for court to no baby. And for Fasama make come a constituency assembly. See to go to in all these 20 years, Kwame. Secondary school there are so many challenges at the secondary school. When I was living there was no electricity.
So why I'm not too man.
Oh, I don't look stupid because I wasn't part of them. And I don't crack on me problems with my own people. Because what this is a waste of time and resources. Now they're fan crack to change. But I was say I dare bay my he was in parliament for about 24 years. Catch me say I dare back could be war memoir, say a policy, say yeah.
Oh, back in
say the constituency question. I don't know. Say ne kananka mo membo bako.
Oh, they said they okanka MPB any ho.
Ubenya bebre. Sam George the LGBT by and no something to work up. So about parliament okay witchcraft for
MPB for.
Some millions for the trompo na yo mo. What I say, so suba parliament da bay. O ya ma witchcraft bill. Ya pass money ye. Maintain that. But if you go to Asin Central and I said be Asin Master, we don't go for Asin Central.
No.
The personal businesses I'm not talking about.
I'm not talking about that. I know people are in terms of employment, in terms of butcher call, in terms of human resource development, in terms of post now or one trouble or street lights. In terms of development there, Manko, and interest.
Could you catch them and I send a shuffle?
If you do.
Or you pen and paper man, could you say, and go for a pass or shuffle, and maybe a pass or shuffle from Qualist? Could you have hey, boy, you did you didn't corner. Oh, I heard up and probably a mobile one some bit yasm, you know, Matrasiaka. We say, I know women are sorry, say, Baby to good. Uber to good as a good year, maybe enough as when you have a bit to know. Eugene said, "I know the backup partner, Mustafa Hamid, and Jan Yuku for I think the OSP are quite 280 million. Nagana is brought by money laundering and fraud. MP, I can no launder money at MP. How? Why do you use all these monies?
280 million. Just
almost acquiring houses. 280 million Ghana cedis between 12 people. Are they? What's your Jubilee house? Oh, more private residence, and I say houses bay. And we see.
Oh, there's almost some investigation. Dear Heston ABC. But Mempire may buy and say, who's the way I make us say, Sir Accra Kumas Road? No, because we named the last time I conquered.
Yeah, check a crack.
Now, Kofa, who drew Sir and so one more.
Yeah, of Uncle was a one was one to Franco.
That's a catcher say.
High and cry.
Mementa say, I don't know, Yana me full and say. Accra is the capital. Okay, so let's look at this way. I'm not just being travelist, but a passion why I walk or they can't crew some they can't have some the emotions can cry womb. So Accra, you're Accra to a flower.
Yeah.
You're Accra to Cape Coast.
Yeah.
You're Accra to Takra.
Yeah.
Sakra Nano. Those will be if you are Accra, they Accra to Mas Road.
Yeah. Say it in if you
Accra to Mas Road. And Kuana de Bia, Ifi. How?
How no better? 8 a back a credit a year anymore because the airport anymore. And Grandfather Ganges with to throw. I won't vote wages and grandmother can acquire by Inga. But it means still a quaba.
It's still a quaba.
I welcome here.
I'm not
sure.
Where's
the I want a gun. There will be a gun for it.
Okay.
Say, I wish you to